In the world of cookware, a quality cast iron skillet stands as a timeless kitchen essential. This Mercer Culinary pre-seasoned cast iron skillet, 8-inch, combines durability, versatility, and performance, making it an indispensable tool for professional chefs and home cooks alike. This review takes a deep dive into the features, benefits, and value of this must-have skillet. Why cast iron cookware is essential. Cast iron cookware is revered for its ability to retain heat and provide even cooking results. From searing meats to baking cornbread, a high-quality cast iron skillet is a versatile tool that delivers exceptional results. The Mercer Culinary 8-inch skillet takes this tradition and elevates it with thoughtful features, making it a reliable option for your culinary needs. Key features of the Mercer Culinary cast iron skillet. 1. Superior construction for exceptional performance. The skillet is crafted from heavy-duty cast iron, pre-seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil. This pre-seasoning ensures enhanced non-stick performance, superior heat retention for even cooking, protection against rust and corrosion. Whether you're frying eggs, searing steaks, or sautéing vegetables, the skillet delivers consistent results every time. 2. Ergonomic and practical design. The sturdy handle of the skillet features a convenient hanging hole, allowing for easy storage. The compact 8-inch diameter is perfect for preparing small to medium-sized meals, making it ideal for individuals, couples, or side dishes. 3. Versatile cooking options. One of the standout qualities of this skillet is its compatibility with various cooking surfaces, including stovetops, gas, electric, and induction, ovens, grills, campfires. This versatility makes it a go-to tool for everything from rustic outdoor cooking to refined indoor meals. Number 4. Low-maintenance care. Maintaining the Mercer Culinary skillet is simple. Wash by hand with mild soap or none at all, dry thoroughly, and apply a light coat of vegetable oil to keep the seasoning intact. Proper care ensures the skillet stays in excellent condition for years to come. Benefits of the Mercer Culinary cast iron skillet. 1. Durable and long-lasting. Built to withstand high heat and frequent use, this skillet is a kitchen companion that will last a lifetime with proper care. 2. Healthier cooking. The pre-seasoned surface eliminates the need for excessive oil or butter, promoting healthier cooking while retaining the natural flavors of your ingredients. 3. Energy-efficient cooking. Thanks to its superior heat retention, the skillet reduces the need for high-energy inputs, saving time and energy in the kitchen. 4. Compact and space-saving. The 8-inch size is perfect for those with limited kitchen space or who prefer smaller cookware for specific tasks. Who is the skillet for? Home cooks. Ideal for preparing quick, everyday meals or experimenting with new recipes. Professional chefs. A reliable tool for high-performance cooking in any kitchen. Outdoor enthusiasts. Perfect for campfire cooking due to its rugged construction and heat versatility. Comparing the Mercer Culinary skillet to competitors. Strengths: high-quality pre-seasoning with natural vegetable oil. Durable cast iron construction at an affordable price. Compact size for versatile use in various settings. Potential weaknesses: requires proper maintenance to prevent rusting. Smaller size may not suit large family meals. How to get the best out of your Mercer Culinary skillet. 1. Preheat gradually. Always preheat your skillet slowly to ensure even cooking. This minimizes hot spots and ensures consistent results. 2. Avoid abrasive cleaners. Harsh cleaning agents can strip the seasoning. Stick to mild soap or a scraper for effective cleaning. 3. Reseason when necessary. If your skillet starts losing its non-stick surface, a quick reseasoning session with vegetable oil will restore its quality. Final verdict. The Mercer Culinary pre-seasoned cast iron skillet 8-inch is a versatile, durable, and reliable kitchen essential. Its heavy-duty construction, superior heat retention, and ease of maintenance make it a fantastic investment for anyone looking to elevate their cooking game. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner cook, this skillet offers the performance and longevity you need to create memorable meals. Don't miss out. Upgrade your kitchen with this exceptional skillet today. It's time to transform your cooking experience with a tool that delivers professional quality results every time. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.